I had a hard time deciding exactly what I wanted to call my favorite feature in Adobe Premiere Elements 2020, but I think now this feature just barely edges out my other choice. It's the time stretch tool. I like being able to shift the time of clips and speed up slow sections in a video. So I have this section here. You'll notice I've got two gaps where there's no significant audio going on and are going to be quite boring to view and probably could be told just as well, if not better, at a faster timestamp. So I want to make sure that the whole clip is collected and is bright blue. I'm going to go up to timeline, make sure the clip is selected. I'm going to hit split clip, which is also Control K, or you can use the little scissors tool down below. So I'm going to hit split clip, and that's split this section. I'm going to go up to right before the audio begins again. Once again, split clip. We're going to go after the audio, giving myself just a little buffer room. Once again, split clip. And all the way to about right there. I'm going to split clip. So now I want to go back to these sections as close to the beginning before into the previous clip. Make sure they're selected. I'm going to drop the audio all the way down. You don't want funny sounding audio that was left behind, especially since it's going to be sped up. Once again, over here, just the very beginning. Now, if you do this some point in the middle of the clip, like your cursor was right here, these little dots start to appear and your audio gets all messed up, which is nice to get more specific edits on audio volume if you want to do that. But in this case, we want the whole clip completely silent, so we have to start at the beginning. We're going to go back to the other clip, and we're going to right clip, and we're going to go up to clip and down to time stretch right here. Now we can adjust the speed. If we go up to 200%, the clip gets shorter. If we go down to 50%, the clip gets slower. You can do a percentage speed, or you can do a specific time that you're like, I have to keep the video at a specific length and I don't want it to go too far one direction or the other. So you can change the numbers there as well. Also, you can change them by typing it in, by clicking, or you can use the cursor and drag, click in one direction or the other to adjust the time. Now I want this to go faster, so I'm not going with 50%. I'm going to go back up. I'll actually go with the 400%, I think is good for this clip. Now you see we've significantly shortened the clip. Now if there's an area that you want to emphasize a tad more in a clip, you can also split inside of that. For example, we're going to clip here, split clip, split clip. Now these two ends are going to be sped up. We're going to go to the 400% again. Over here, clip, time stretch, 400%. But this center one, we're going to go clip, time stretch. We're going to go down to 25%. So now when you watch through it, it's going to look like this. It's taking longer than I thought it would. And you see we've emphasized this part of the video so slowly that it looks like there's no motion at all until here. So we're going to shift the time on this again. We can go back to 75%, so it's just a little slower than it originally was first time through. So we have this, move along. and then the adjustment towards there. And that is my favorite feature in Adobe Premiere Elements 2020.